Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. What was meant to be a day of fun and frolic on Sunday at the Zimi Seh Beach event in St. Anne has instead reignited fresh concerns about safety. The concerns come on the heels of a brawl which left at least one person nursing wounds at hospital. This is the violent assault at Zimi Seh Beach in St. Anne, which has gone viral on social media, sparking public outrage. In the disturbing video, which has been shared thousands of times, several men are seen surrounding an individual before repeatedly punching, kicking and stomping him as chaos unfolds. The brazen attack has fueled questions about the level of security at the event and whether quicker intervention could have prevented it from escalating. That aside, TVJ News understands that a police report was made following the incident and investigators have identified at least 5 men believed to be involved. A search is now underway as detectives work to locate the suspects. But as the video continues to circulate online, many are questioning what led to the incident and how the attack was allowed to happen in such a crowded space and where were the security. Responding to the incident on Monday, the organizers of Best Weekend Ever expressed disappointment and regret over a physical altercation involving patrons at its beach event on Sunday. The party organizers said Best Weekend Ever has never condoned violence of any kind at their events. According to the directors, over the years, Best Weekend Ever has established a strong track record of providing safe, well-managed entertainment experiences for thousands of patrons. The release added that additional security measures have been put in place for the final event being staged on Monday.